thought you canceled. I thought you canceled. Okay, what had happened was, should I go ahead and cancel? Oh, okay, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. But if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get all notifications so you won't miss any of our uploads. So I know you like clicked on this video and like, Curlkit, like, I thought you canceled. I thought you canceled. Okay, what had happened was, which I'm gonna put up on the screen somewhere too, the evidence, the proof. So when I went to go and cancel after that horrific last box that I got, not the last one but the one before that, because even after you if I would have canceled, I would have still got the box that I just got, because you still get a box because they charge you on the 15th of the month. Oh, and let me disclaimer, my hair, I know it's curled two different, this side is curled one way and this side is curled one way. So I was just testing out to see which side I like the best, that's all. But let me know down below which side you think is more flattering, the curls on the left side or the curls on the right side. Don't be shy, say hi. Okay, so when I went to cancel after that, I'll link that video right here where the box was just, it was like, enough is enough. Like, no, I'm canceling it. This is enough of this bull crap. So I went to cancel and I received an email when I about my cancellation, apologizing and saying, promising that the box was the next one was gonna be better, the one for March, which is the one that I would have been paying for to keep the subscription, because I had already paid for the month of February. So the box for February, this is the box that they promised me was going to be a good box. So this is the one, and they offered me, I think, half off. I didn't pay full price for this box, but they just charged me again on the 15th for April's box. So even if this box is not good and I cancel, I'm still going to receive an April box. So let's get on with the unboxing. Yeah, I let them sucker me back in. I let her sucker me back in, the one that sent me the email. So hopefully she's a woman of her word, and this box was worth me staying on. Even though I didn't pay full price for it, I still was just charged on the 15th for April's box. Okay, so let's see. The moment of reveal. Let's see if this was worth it. Okay, I don't want to look at enough. I just want to see what's in here. Let's see together. Okay, I can't see. I can't tell. Let me look. Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Shea Butter and Rosemary Length Retention Leave-In Cream. Now, I have never heard of this line. I've heard of Dr. Miracle. Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Coconut Water and Marshmallow Root Extract Detangling Pre-Shampoo Treatment. Okay. The third product, the Strong and Healthy, same Dr. Miracle Strong and Healthy Black Castor and Tea Tree Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil. Style and Protect. Rake comb. So I'm not that disappointed with this box, because I paid way less. So that was what had happened. She said the March box, so she said it was featured, one of the products was featured on Shark Tank, and it was $28 alone. I don't know if she was talking about one of these products, and these are the products. It was 3 products, 2 full size, and I guess, I don't know if this is a full size for them, but it's a 4 ounce, so that may be their full size for this actual product here. The pamphlet, Curl Life Takeover, and oh my gosh, they did it again. They did it again. Now look at this. How many products do you see here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't get this product right here. Why couldn't that have been in the kit? Why wasn't that in the kit? It's a strengthening temple and Nape Balm. And it looks like the same size as these products here. Okay, so I just guess they offered me a comb instead, but I guess they'll throw in other people's box. Maybe some other people may get that balm. This was the pamphlet. I don't know. So now I'm like, should I go ahead and cancel now? Even though I'm still getting the April box? 8th year anniversary edition. This what their 8th year anniversary edition was. 8 is the number of new beginnings. Like, let me know, does this feel like a new beginning for Curlkit? I want to do a poll here. Let me know down in the description box below. Should I go ahead and cancel, even though I'm going to get I already was charged for the month of April, for April's box? I'm going to get the April's box regardless. But should I go ahead and cancel Curlkit before I'm charged on the 15th for May's box? Even though I don't know what's going to be in April's box. Do you think this is a turnaround? Do you think this is a good sign? What say ye on the matter? So I'm going to leave it in the hands of the viewers that watch these Curlkit videos, because even though it was something I was doing because we like to try new products, a good collection of products that work well with our hair. We last year decided to sign back up for Curlkit, and it has not been the best. It has not been the best experience. So I know that a lot of the viewers on my channel do watch these videos and want to see them. So you let me know, should I cancel or should I stay? And it's gonna be, I'm gonna base it on how many, the votes, yay, nay. Let me know down below. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. Don't be shy, say hi. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know which side curls you left, right? Let me know, should I stay or should I go? I hope all of you are doing well. I know this right now, the whole nation, we are all experiencing this thing together. And whether you're on lockdown, quarantine, or hope and pray that all of you are well, that you're all well, and that you're all abiding by and taking safety precautions and trying to keep yourself safe, you and your family, as best as you can. And you just trust God and believe God to do the rest. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Keep it curly, keep it straight, keep it protected. Whatever you do, do you, and keep it real. Until next time. These curls don't fill out, so they may not get as much of a vote, but you still intact a little.